Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can design your own badges using Google Draw. We're going to start in Google Drive and we're going to click on New, More, and Google Drawings. So you're going to start with a blank canvas. I'm going to go ahead and name this so that I don't lose it later. Okay, we're starting with a transparent background, but you can certainly change the color of that if you would like. You would just right click on the canvas and go to background and make it any color that you want. For this project, I'm going to keep this transparent. And the first thing I want to do is I want to change the size of my canvas. So I'm going to go to File and Page Setup. And I'm going to click this drop down menu and go to Custom. And I want to make this 500 by 500 pixels. So I'm going to change the inches to pixels, and then I'm just going to type in the exact size that I want to use, and then click Apply. Okay, so now I'm going to design the badge. I'm going to start by using a shape. So I'm going to click on the shapes icon here, and you've got lots of different shapes that you can choose from under arrows and call outs. So I'm going to go back up to the shapes, and I think for this badge I am going to use this shape right here, which is a pentagon. So now I'm going to click, hold, and drag my mouse to create this shape. All right, and then I'm going to let go. So now I can move this and I can resize it using the corners after I've gotten the shape drawn in. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so now we can change the fill color and the line color. So we want to select the shape, and then up here on the toolbar, the paint bucket is the fill color. So we can choose from the colors here, or you can go to custom and you can move this around to get a custom color, or if you have a color code, you can also type the color code in there. So for this badge, I think I will just go with a royal blue. And then for my line color, I think I'll make it a gold. And then I can also thicken the line, make it a little bit thicker so it's easier to see, like that. I think that's a good start to the back of the badge. You can also add other shapes to this. Let's go up here and look and see if we have some type of shape that may resemble maybe a ribbon. Okay, this one in callouts looks good. So I'm going to grab this one here. And again, I'm going to click, hold, and drag that out like that. And now I can move that wherever I would like. I think I might put this, let's see. Yeah, put it down at the bottom. Like that. And again, I can change the color. And so I think I will change this maybe to white. And I can do an outline color, maybe blue again. And I'm going to make that line thicker. Ooh, that's too thick. Okay, so you can just play around with your colors, your fill colors, your line colors, and get that however you'd like. So I think I like this the way it is. So now it's time to add some text. And so here's where you can add a text box. So I'm going to click that and then click here in the badge. And now I can name the badge whatever I want. So I'm going to do the Google Level 1 again. So Google Educator. Come down to the next line, Level 1. All right, so I'm going to click, hold, and drag and select my text. And now I can change the font here. I can change the size here. I can bold it. I think I want to center this in the text box. And I can make this text box a little bit smaller. Oops. Now this needs to be bigger, so I'm going to select it again, and then I'm going to adjust the size. Make it pretty big like that. Okay, and I'm just going to move the text box and center it here in the badge. Now I can change the color of the font if I like, right here. Let's make this gold. All right, and I can even go to the format options. Once I have selected the text, I can go to the format options and I can give this a drop shadow. I can add reflection if there I want, but those are some options that you can add to the font. Okay, so we can add some another image in here if you would like. Since this is a Google Educator Level 1 badge, let's go in and search for an image. You can upload an image from your computer if you have one saved, or you can search the web. So I'm going to search the web for a Google logo. All right, and I'm just going to pick one of these and click Insert. All right, and it's going to add it really big, so we're just going to adjust this, make it smaller, and I'm just going to put that right here in the center. There you go. So I like the way this badge is, and I think I'm ready to download it. There's a lot of different pieces to this badge. So what I want to do is I want to group all of this together and make it one image. So I'm going to click, hold, and drag and just draw a box over the entire canvas, and that's going to select each piece of this. And then what I want to do is I want to right click right in the center of everything that I have selected, and I am going to group it. Now this is one image that I can move, and you can see now when I move it, it moves together. Okay. All right, so now I am ready to download this. So we're going to go to File, and we're going to download, and we're going to choose to download this as a PNG image. There you go. Now you have a badge created with Google Drawings. It's saved as a PNG, and you can use it wherever you'd like.